Hi, everyone. This is a video, and we are the Tens, and we are going to show you how to make a ziggurat. So, Emma, can you go first? Can you bring a... Let me bring out the steps. Emma, can you bring out a red...
Okay.
Ailey, can you bring out a blue wedge? All right. And can you stretch it out, Ailey? Can you put the work plane on the slanted part of the wedge?
Got it. Get it.
Good. Evan, can you bring out a hollow block at the very top, a hollow box?
Wait, let me.
Yep, that's right.
Let me get to
Perfect.
the right angle. Better?
Yeah, but also on the bottom, can you make it so that it's not sticking out on the bottom so much?
Sure. Let me just get to a different angle.
Jamie, can you copy and paste that second one that Evan did? Instructions that I have.
I did it.
All right. Thank you, Jamie. A little bit. Bailey, can you draw a box around the blue thing and then press the group button, Bailey?
All right.
Click on the blue thing, Bailey, and then press the duplicate and repeat button 3 times. Bailey, can you separate them? There should be 4 of them now. Good, Bailey. Can you move? Can you try put them on? Here, I'll move this one over here. Bailey, can you try turning these 3, the 3 that are not in the right spot? Can you move them to? Can you try turning them? Liani, can you draw a big box around this whole thing and group it?
I pressed the button.
Ah, there it goes. It's grouped now. Thank you, Liani. Liani, put the work plane on top of the whole thing, on top of the red. Thanks. Now, Liani, draw a big box around the whole thing and press duplicate and repeat. You press duplicate and repeat. Now, can you try lifting up the whole thing? There, I lifted it up a little bit for you. Can you lift it up the rest of the way using the cone? All right, Julia, you need to do the same thing. Julia, can you put the work plane back on top, on the very top again? And then use the cone to lift it up. After Julia is Olina. Olina, I'm going to show you what to do, and then you're going to do it. You're going to do this. You're going to add a ramp. That's tall, Olina. You got to use this black handle. Look at my screen, Olina. See this black handle right here? There you go. All right, man, it's probably a little too tall. Can you move the whole thing over towards the, there you go. That's perfect. All right, Rex. We're going to make it say tens on top. So we're going to have 1, a 0, and an S on the top. So Rex, can you put the work plane on the very, very top? Good.
Nope.
I'm going to turn it 1 for you there. I just turned it a little bit for you. You see? You turn it the rest of the way?
That's not
Good. That's good. Now lower it.
You're right. I'm too close to it. Tell me when it's on the floor of it. I can't. Is that?
That is good. You did it. I'll move it over just a little bit so there's space for the.
I was doing that.
Good. All right. Next is Theo. Theo, can you bring the 0 next to the 1 and do the same thing?
So I just did the.
Good. Can you lift it up a little bit with the cone?
Yeah.
Good. I'm going to move it back a little bit. Good job, Theo. And Tessa, can you find the S? It's under text and numbers. Cool. And then Seneca, you're going to do this. You're under basic shapes. All right, here, I did the first one for you. You do the other 3. We finished just in time. Friends, thank you. This is all recorded. I'm going to edit it so it's not as long. And we're going to just share it at assembly, and I'll also put it, I'll make sure your faces are not shown, just your voices in the Ziggurat. And I'll put it on YouTube, okay? So this will teach other kids how to make a Ziggurat.